So how do I make over $20,000 a month on YouTube with less than 5,000 subscribers? I'm gonna tell you coming up now. Hey everyone, I'm Omeka. 3 things I do on this channel. I show you how to increase your income so you can take back your freedom, so you can design that ultimate lifestyle. I'm doing me so you can do you. All right, so how do I earn over $20,000 a month from YouTube with less than 5,000 subscribers? Well, I'm gonna break down the 7 things that you need to understand so you can also grow your business to the level that I have as well. So the first thing you want to understand is it's not about the ad rev. Ad rev is a great little bonus that we use to buy toilet paper and, fun things like that. That's what you want to think about your ad rev as. It's always, and it should always be, the smallest portion of your income. So my ad rev is about 120 bucks. It's nothing fancy whatsoever. I have an actual business though. There are things that I'm going to cover in this video that allow me to generate $20,000 a month from using YouTube's platform, my audience. You never want to rely on ad rev unless your channel is one of those, like a car channel or a vlogging channel. Those are going to be structured a little differently. But even some of the best vloggers, let's take Casey Neistat for example, do you think his ad rev is where he makes all his money? Hell no. It's sponsored deals, it's the promotional deals that he gets, and a lot of it is coming from all those affiliate links that he has inside his videos in the description. It's affiliate marketing. Ad rev, I'm sure he makes a decent $10,000 to $20,000, maybe even a little higher. But ad rev is a very small part of his overall business's income. He's using YouTube to capture an audience that he can sell stuff to, he can promote his brand, get his name, get more attention, because money follows attention. Number 2 is you have to build a business. That's what you really have to understand. If you want to make a substantial income from YouTube, you have to find a way to build an actual business with it. It can be whatever it is that you're interested in. Video games could be a thing. Dog grooming. I'm in the make money online niche, so I have different products. We'll talk about, how to structure your products in a second, but it could be whatever it is. There's makeup channels, right? Homeschooling, we're looking at homeschooling our kids. That's a multi-6-figure a month business that some channels have built on, all around homeschooling. So you can make money on whatever niche it is you want. You just got to pick your niche and then build a business around it and use YouTube as a way to get more attention for that business. Because like I said in point number 1, money follows attention. Number 3 is, now you got a business, now you need some products to sell. You have to have some products that people are gonna buy. They could be products you create, or they could be affiliate products where you promote a product and that company will pay you an affiliate commission for that particular product. What are affiliate commissions? Well, check the links in my videos. You're gonna see at the very bottom, there's Amazon affiliate links. So when you click one of those links and you buy something on Amazon, Amazon pays me a few dollars for whatever you purchase. It doesn't cost anything extra for you. It's just a way Amazon says thank you for bringing that extra traffic to their websites. Lots of companies do stuff like this. So you just gotta find, hey, what are the companies that will pay me an affiliate commission for in my particular niche? And if they're products that you like and you can endorse, promote them, share them with your audience, and that's a great way of increasing your income on YouTube. But my favorite thing is number 4, have your own products to sell. I have multiple products. I have a free book that generates about $2,000 every single month. That's a whole nother thing you have to learn how to do. I have my low-end product, which is a $397 course. I also have a monthly reoccurring product, which is $147 a month. And then I have my main product, which is my one-on-one consulting, which is $4,000. So I have 4 products that my audience is able to purchase, for whatever price levels that they want, because that's the niche that I'm in. I have some additional products that I'm working on, but you have to have a few different products so your audience has a selection of different things to purchase. The more products you have, the more essentially you're able to make, because the more variety you're gonna have. I have people that purchase every single one, depending on however you set up your sales funnel. But you want to make sure you have products for your audience to buy. Now, what if you're in the dog training niche, for example, or dog grooming, for example? What are you going to sell them? Well, it could be dog grooming services. It could be affiliate products for different dog services like that. It could be consulting or coaching calls with you, to help groom their dog into like a professional level. I'm not a dog person, so, whatever case is, you got to figure it out. This is your business. Figure out something to sell your audience, sell it to them. It's a really, really, really simple formula. But number 5 is going to be one of the most important things, and that's you have to offer value first before selling anything. If I was just creating a channel and all I tried to do was sell stuff on it, nobody's going to want to watch me. Nobody's going to engage. I'm going to make zero money. You have to provide tons of value first. I went months and months and months of just doing free content in my related, I'm in the publishing niche, make money online niche. So it was just months and months and months of putting up all that free content. So my audience got used to it, and they're like, wow, Mech is giving away a lot of great tips. These tips are helping me here. These tips are helping me here. And because my content was useful and relative to them, as soon as I came out with a program or a course or whatever the case is, they're like, man, his free stuff is good. His paid stuff must be freaking awesome. And they purchased it. They loved it. And it goes like that. But you have to continue to give out free content in order to get more attention, because attention is going to follow, or money's going to follow the attention. And number 6 is be consistent. Be consistent. Upload videos 3 to 5 times a week. That's what I have found, works best. Be consistent. You can't just upload once a week and really expect your channel to get going. You have to be consistent, working on YouTube. And number 7, I think, is one of the most important things. It's engage with your audience. I can't tell you how many messages or comments I get where they're like, I cannot believe that you're responding. I'm like, of course I'm gonna respond to you. You are the reason I do these videos, right? I love engaging with my audience, getting ideas from you, finding out what you like, what you don't like, and things like that. So engaging with your audience is one of the best ways to build relationships with them, connect with them, and ultimately, by me engaging with my audience, guess what? It puts more money in my pocket because I'm engaging with them. I'm building relationships. I'm building trust. You're always selling. You're always selling. And that's what you have to really do. If you want to build an income, if you want to build a business on YouTube, you're going to sell stuff. And, don't shy away from it. It's just how it's set up. So, hey guys, I'm Mecca. If you have any questions or anything, comment below. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram. All the descriptions are going to be in the video. If you want some additional tips or have some ideas for additional content, let me know in the comments. I'd love to connect with you. Till next time, everyone, I'm Mecca. We'll speak to y'all soon. Take care.